Panjuri Kosari Arong Alam Kia Pothak Difu Chief Judicial Court along charge sheet ke Pajir. Bokojan Post Office along the India Post Payment Bank in Pudun. Assam Hills Area Development Minister Adudeng Mendifu head post office along India Post Payment Bank Kangpu. Kardom ada babirta lang penili Wilburn Trophy non birtang ton pen arjek tha dogmoka thana ke parlo Panjuri Kosari arong along bang hinari so phan apran karmut along kachirabdun akoy ke do bang thwa tuma phan kangsai je phan chiti isiani difu chief judicial court along charge sheet pajir pontanglo Kedam tang bosik ner kep arni dogmoka thana ke parlo Panjuri Kosari arong along bang hini ariso abijit nath lapen nilutpal das phan apran karmut alam ke along kachirab akoy ke do bang plikebra ner kep aphan difu chief judicial court along keton kilang atom pen chiti isi arni charge sheet pajir pontanglo Chief Judicial Court along Kadokawi Pharo near Kebra Pli charge sheet alo Kipajara lam Karbialong ISP Dr. GV Siva Prasad lapen pherangki ang bongka chingki kajathana hutsila so alam pachini alang li Panjuri Kosari arong alam ki ketarlip along rongasor keton kilang lapen sorkar asai kampenta nang chirak nang chitodun pusining je
I hope now one important step in the criminal justice administration as far as this particular case is concerned is completed. Now it will be taken over by the other wings of the administration, that is the prosecution and the judiciary. As far as our efforts are concerned, we have given our best. We have not left any stone unturned, frankly speaking. We have collected all the evidence that is possible within our capabilities. And I am personally confident that the case was investigated thoroughly and properly. So I am certainly hopeful of a good result.
You don't get any political pressure?
No, certainly no such kind of pressure. In fact, we have not got pressure from any quarters, even from the villages. There was no resistance. Everyone cooperated. So there is nothing to blame. Found to be a juvenile as per the law. Since he is juvenile, the process of trial would be different. In fact, the process of treating him in the criminal justice administration itself is a bit different from the adults. So it would be proceeded accordingly. We got a lot of support from our higher-ups. In fact, the government of Assam has appointed our additional DG Law and Justice to supervise the case. In fact, sir visited thrice to this district. Apart from the initial days he camped also here in Karnataka and guided us. After that, he visited thrice to supervise the case and guided us. And government of Assam also very much keen extended all their support. Government of Assam has appointed a special public prosecutor to conduct trial of this case. That itself shows their sincerity in addressing the root cause.
Bokojan Post Office along the Chiti ECR India Post Payment Bank in Pudun Pusikat News along Birta Nangpali. Bokojan Constituency MLA Dr. Numol Mumin Bokojan Arwa Farman India Post Payment Bank in Pusi Lasu India Post Payment Bank Penchuti Kiarat Bihak Eklem Gedam Ham Pangapan Dihin Anat Avarsai Chilong Ipo Pusalang Lianing Chepati Bank Kang Polong Ia Madhurjo Thegel Pukon MSC Richard Togbi Lapen Pen An Kithegeding Atum Chetong Dun Bokojan Subdivision Hanjan Lang Supatua Klamalong Pai Kretrok Si Arnipen Kipang Cheng Kreser Kep Angdeng All Karbiang Long Intersub Association Women Football Kachipate Chiti Isi Arni Angdugiti Patupon Tanglo All Karbiang Long Intersub Association Women Football Kachipate Tumpreng Sports Association Atum Langhin Sports Association Apan Paremsi Angdugiti Nong Echepalong Kipatua Long Karbiang Long Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Chitong Dunsi EM Barim Kalitang Pubon Chandroterang Apan Chikimu Lapen la swapi school also marpen bilun kilo pado ke pathu ke chengpen nat nat terang atum ke pathu ke thek sera jong goal chipiun AC ke hot apor pajut api arong ka chitur pensi tum prenga terang atum langhin apan bol pum thom pen parem CEM tuliram rong hang EM ka chirong pipi lapen alhia tumsi ke hai kerem aterang apan nong e pajir pon angdung gidi ka chepate referee lokhi killing pi lapen tahin rong pharpi sankar terang prakash singh veronica tisopi matali ingleng pi Rasinja Rong Hangpi, Bolon Tokbipi, Tina Basumutari Lapen, Dipali Hazuaria Tumsi Kepatu Amu Papleng. Namalam Sopor Pan Birtamo into Ponixina. Claret Beauty Parlor. Folong Kichengsi so pinso la pen swar pan ki pamaradim. Prabjin pen ingpupon kangpu ponji lake pai chikluni pai ingora nerve cap arni. Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapen, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akinang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akinang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Dihinamo people thalbirta long bangtholo. India kapre ka state a district along India Post Payment Bank kangpu angri along Pachton Dunsi Karbi Anglong along ta Chitti EC ani Difu Head Post Office along India Post Payment Bank ing pudun tanglo Assam Sarkar Hills Area Development Minister Sumrong Hangsi Karbi Anglong along ke India Post Payment Bank ing pu India Post Payment Bank ke do penchuti kiarat Charlie Au Sumaraphan ale do polapen beha ke claim aning ke hang abang phubang phiatum tha isi ke mesena to war ke tholo pusi bank kang polam jera long minister rong hang alam kiningje aning chepathe Bank Kangpo Amailong MP Biren Singh Ingti, Deputy Commissioner Mridul Kumar Mahanta, Lapen Post Office along ke claim asai khiatum chetong dun. Karbi Anglong Pherang ki ham phang penta chiti ECR ni Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Sahema Thengno Pherang ke pharma EC ka chesonga mo pado. Pherang ke phan ka teng kheng ke pathi ka chenek ka holo ington nangji. La solam pe India ka pre ka dimalong ke kham khya sai ke deng pona sonsi. Karbi Anglong along ta ke kham khya sai padosi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner aphan Karbi Anglong Pherang ke ham phang pet ipak pin pura lo pajir. Assam Chief Minister aphan Panongsi Deputy Commissioner deng ipak pin pura lo pajir thu. Ada babirta bangkila pans kang ton paniglo dumi thagme kurwang thu.